Hey y'all, I wanted to share a quick and easy shrimp flatbread pizza. I picked up an Artisan flatbread from Aldi and it's really good. Usually I start by coating the flatbread with a little olive oil prior to actually applying a layer of cheese. The cheese I'm using is an Italian blend. I will recommend you get an Italian blend because it gives you different flavors. I think it's about like a 3 cheese blend. So first I just go ahead and apply the cheese. You can use as much or as little cheese you want. I just try to coat it lightly so it's not too cheesy, but enough to give me a nice pizza vibe. Now, off camera, I chopped up some red bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, and green peppers. Usually you want to slice it like a little small, medium size. I don't like it too small. I like it a little chunky. And then I go ahead and apply it to the first layer of cheese. I try to add as many vegetables as I can just so I can kind of make it a little healthier than, usual. Now I'm gonna apply another layer of cheese on top of the vegetables. I actually ran out of cheese, so I had some backup Caesar salad cheese in the background. But in reality, one brand new bag of cheese would be enough for one flatbread pizza, just to give you, details on that. But I just have some Parmesan cheese that I had in the background. Before placing the flatbread pizza in the oven, I'm just going to drizzle a little more olive oil on this top layer just to bring a little more moisture and flavor to the pizza. And we're going to place it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes on 350. So our pizza is pretty much cooked, but off camera I sauteed some jumbo shrimp in olive oil and pepper. So I'm just going to add that to the top of the pizza. And then we're going to add one more layer of cheese just to coat on top of the shrimp. And then usually I add a little pepper on top prior to placing it in the oven. Just a FYI, I also added some grape tomatoes to the pizza. Just slice them in half, and I added that in addition to the other vegetables. Prior to us placing the pizza back in the oven, I'm just going to drizzle a little bit more of the olive oil, and we're just going to place in the oven for about 5 minutes just to get that top layer of cheese melted. And voila, we have our delicious shrimp flatbread pizza. It's a quick and clean recipe that you can eat when you're craving pizza and you just don't feel like calling a pizza man. All right, guys, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I have so much more clean, quick eats that you guys can have. And also follow me on Instagram at She Stay Fabulous. Thank you. Bye-bye.